If you want to learn how to colorize the text or a bunch of expression in Google Doc, this video is for you. So I've opened a new Google Doc, my weekly productivity plan. So let's say I want to change the color of my weekly productivity plan. The first sentence here or expression here. So what I need to do is to highlight the expression, my weekly productivity plan. And I will come on the text color icon at the top of the panel or menu. I'll click on it and I would select the color that I want it to change to. Let's say I want to change it to blue. I'll click on blue. And as you can see, the text of the my weekly productivity plan has changed from black to blue. Let's say I want to change the second expression. I want to change the color from black. It's currently in black, right? And I want to change it to another color. So the same step, I would highlight the whole expression. Now we come to this text color properties or icon. I'll click on it. Let's say I want to change it to red. This is the red color. So I'll click on red and it will change it to red, as you can see. If I want to change it back to black, from red to black, all I need to do is to click on the whole expression again, to click on it again, and I would now click on the text color. I will change it to black. All right. The same thing for my weekly productivity plan. If I want to change it to another color, I'll firstly highlight it. My weekly productivity plan is blue. If I want to change to another color, I'll highlight it. I'll click on the text color property or icon. I'll click on it and I will change it to another color that I want. Let's say I want to change it to deep or dark green. And as you can see, that's how you do it. So this is how you actually, change color of a text or a bunch of expression in Google Doc. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.